loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is an interesting wig I have in my head and I will get into the video, but I just want to say first, thank you for returning to my loyal subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you are new, stick around, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and stay tuned anytime I upload more wig reviews. So today's wig is from Sans Beauty, so thank you Sans Beauty for sending me over this wig to do a review for my lovely viewers. It is part of the new line that I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen on sansbeauty.com. It is Style Plus or the Stylist, and this is 100% human hair master mix. This is in the style cross part lace wig curly, and I have her in the color T1B/30. So the deal with this wig is they do the vixen parts, lace part, like all the other wigs do, and y'all know I don't really care for them, but with these you can definitely put them up in a style, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the hair is a loose curly wave. Not sure how I feel about that just yet. I feel like I need to finger comb her a little bit. It comes with some really thick baby hairs. I'm not sure how I'm feeling that either. So, I don't know. But it does come with two combs in the back. That way, it kind of encompasses this whole portion of the nape of your neck, and it's easy to put up. So, let me see. I'm going to put these out of the way for just a second. I already like a style like this already, so let me not get excited though. Alright, so like I said, it has these hella baby hairs. We're going to cut these down before we attempt to use them. And they're kind of thick. I'm going to separate them because they're like stuck together. So they are kind of cute though. I'm not going to front. Like the little curly cues, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute with the wig. I just probably wouldn't lay all of them so thick, so I brushed them up, and let's see, get my tools together. Okay, so this is the wig with an updo. My battery died, so he didn't see me lay the baby hairs, but you see me lay the baby hairs 100 times on my channel. Nothing new. It didn't do anything new. So let's see. I'm not sure about the curl pattern because I feel like I want to like run my brush through, but I feel like if I do that, it's gonna ruin it. Maybe not. I just want to like pick it out some because okay. It's a little rough looking on the ends once I did that, but I feel like it looks real synthetic-y the way it is. So maybe not as much as I did on the other side, but I had to do something. Okay, that looks a lot better than what it was before. And then all this hair is a lot of hair. Alright, let's see what she looks like down, because that's probably how I'm going to wear it 9 times out of 10. I do like this curl pattern, and I like the color with the curl pattern. I think it's really fun and reminds me of summer. You know, that's my favorite season, guys. Whenever summer comes around, I'm so happy, and everything that has to do with summer, like, I'm down for. I just that curl. Ooh. I just don't see this wig lasting long though, but it's one of those wigs that you can recycle and just do like a braided effects. If you want a tutorial on how to revamp your wigs, your wavy wigs, let me know and I will show you. I actually am going to plan on doing this, but if I will expedite it if you want me to. I don't know about the human master mix. I don't feel like it. It feels like synthetic hair. Like, I don't know how much human is master or mixed in this, but it feels like synthetic hair, but you know I like my synthetic anyway. It's nice. It's really long curly unit. I think that's for me plucking or me brushing. I did get some hair come out. It's a little snaggly now that I brushed her out. Anyway, tell me what you think. Would you rock this unit? I think she reminds me of Brooklyn from Sensational. Remember that a long time ago? Brooklyn from Sensational. She reminds me of that one. This is a good dupe for that. Do you like this particular line? Have you seen this particular line and do you like it? What do you think about it so far? Let me know down in the description box. Let's start a discussion. Thank you for watching. You can always follow me and Sans Beauty on Instagram. I will post the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.